Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to explore 3 simple and effective ways to create serial numbers in Excel. Whether you're organizing data, creating lists, or tracking items, these methods will make your task much easier. So, let's get started. First up is the classic +1 formula method. This method works well when you want each number in the sequence to be calculated based on the number above it. In cell B3, we'll start by typing 1. This will be the starting point of our sequence. Now, in cell B4, type equals, then click on the cell directly above, which is B3, to reference it. After that, type +1 and hit enter. This formula will add 1 to the value from the cell above. Now, just drag the fill handle down the column as far as you need, and Excel will automatically fill in the serial numbers for you. It's as simple as that. This method is great for small, manually created sequences where you want Excel to automatically calculate the next number in the series. Now, let's move on to the fill handle method. This is perfect if you don't want to use formulas and just need a quick list of numbers. In cell C3, we'll type 1 again. In the next cell, C4, we'll type 2. This sets the pattern for our numbers. Now, select both cells and hover your mouse over the bottom right corner of the selection. You'll notice that the cursor changes to a small plus sign. Once you see the plus sign, simply drag it down as far as you need, and Excel will fill in the rest of the serial numbers automatically. Quick and easy, right? The fill handle method is a fast way to generate serial numbers in a flash, perfect for small data sets. Finally, let's look at the most flexible method, the row function. This is particularly useful when you expect changes in your spreadsheet, like adding or removing rows. Let's try it. In cell D3, we'll enter equals row, open brackets D3, close brackets, -2. This formula uses the row number to create the serial number, and we subtract 2 so that the sequence starts from 1. Now, just drag the fill handle down the column as far as you need, and Excel will automatically generate the serial numbers. The great thing about this method is that it adapts to changes in your sheet. With the row function, your serial numbers will always stay up to date, even if you make changes to your data. To illustrate the difference between these methods, let's delete row and see what happens. After deleting that row, check column B. The formula using +1 now shows #REF. Errors because it references cells that no longer exist. Now, look at column C. The numbers here remain unchanged because we used the fill handle method, which does not automatically update based on the structure of the sheet. Finally, check column D. The serial numbers here remain correct because the row function isn't dependent on other cells, it automatically adjusts when the structure of the sheet changes. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helps you streamline your workflow in Excel.